Making amazing macro photos is harder than finding the right location. Even the simplest outdoor environments can be the scene of amazing photographs. Today I am just at a small area of wasteland of a new neighborhood. In these flowery and grassy places you can find different insects to photograph. One of them is the brown Argus butterfly, which I photographed. There were also a number of poppy flowers growing. The poppy flower seed heads caught my eye. It's a simple image, but the pattern on the seed heads makes the image powerful. So just go outdoors and you will find everywhere amazing macro photography spots. Thanks for watching, guys. Give a like and write your opinion about the images in the comments below.